staying with Chad's sister and brother-in-law, which has been awesome. But Chad's really out here doing some big business stuff. I don't know if I can say it yet, but we'll announce it on Instagram probably in a week or two, so stay tuned for that. Made it to Utah, so we've got to take our photo with the sun. That's so pretty. Wow. What would you say was your best part about Vegas? What was your favorite part?
All of the amazing restaurants.
That's mine too. The food was so good. Now we have to go back to Little Cross Lake, Minnesota. We have like no restaurants. There's a couple of good ones, but Vegas restaurants are amazing. There's so many good options and they have everything. Oh, I think you missed the snow. Go potty, Benny. We made it to Colorado right before a huge storm.
Disappearing from that heavy snowfall that we're seeing, and the road's looking kind of slick.
Yeah, we might be stuck here a few days. There's a huge snowstorm coming. So good thing we stopped here for the night.
Watch.
Yeah, Shannon, Jessica, we really watched this storm in the foothills transition from several hours of steady rain to snow. And this snow is that wet, heavy snow that we've really seen transition here in the foothills.
Wow.
It is sticking to the ground.
We could have been stuck in that.
For some treacherous travel at this 10 o'clock hour. And we're getting onto Highway 40 now. As you can see, a pretty severe backup here as we get onto this highway. But I do want to mention a closure that we were learning about on CDOT's map. You can track these closures for yourself live on that map.
Oh my gosh. Look at all those cars backed up. That's where we're supposed to go.
260, that is 1 mile west of Golden. A big closure
That's
that we are learning about tonight. So again,
And you wanted to keep driving.
Heavy snow, so very dangerous. We are seeing a lot of plows out here though. If you have to be out, make sure you stay behind those plows. That is a message CDOT wants to get out to you tonight. But
Wow.
your safest place to be, again, is at home and off the road side.
So we might be stuck here for a couple days, but there's worse places to be stuck, so it'll be fine. So we are stuck in Glenwood Springs for one more night. The I-70 road is closed. There's a huge snowstorm. So we're just gonna hang out here, go check out the hot springs, and kind of explore the town for one more day, and then we will take off tomorrow morning, hopefully. Heading over to the Iron Mountain Hot Springs. They have, what, like 32 different hot springs, mineral pools, so it should be fun. But yeah, it looks like we're not gonna be able to leave until tomorrow morning. The highway is still completely shut down due to snow. There's like probably 2 feet of snow in Denver right now, so that'll be a fun drive tomorrow. What is it? Better than Rafferty's?
It was, a little bit. Maddie wants to go get ice cream now.
It was your idea, but it sounds really good. This Bluebird place looks cute too.
One of them is across there, it's called Chocolate Mousse.
Ooh, chocolate mousse. I like it. Wow. So good. What is this place called?
Sunday.
Sunday. Number. We woke up super early this morning to see if the roads are open, and it looks like they are. That's why I look so tired. So we just had to run to the post office quick, and then we're off. And Benny, I know you're excited to go home. We've been stuck in a hotel for 2 days with him, so it's good for him to get out and stretch his legs. Us too. That was honestly not a bad place to be stuck though overnight, because it is beautiful in Glenwood Springs. And those hot springs we went to, oh my gosh, I was so relaxed after. But also, like, the food here is also amazing. We went to that pizza place called Rocky Mountain Pizza Co. Phenomenal pizza, oh my gosh. And we had the garlic bread, which is also really good. And then we went to Sunday Artisan Ice Cream. Amazing. It's kind of like Cold Stone, but without like the pre-made flavors, but it was so good. So yeah, we're excited to get back on the road and get heading home. Quick pit stop in Georgetown. We're back on the road.
Look at all their stuff here, dude.
So much snow here. Big slushy mess.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto 15th Street, then turn right to merge onto I-70 east towards Denny's.
Ambulances and tow trucks everywhere.
Looks like a news channel guy.
Oh, should we get on the news? Yeah, they were on the news this morning here about how much snow they had because so many cars were snowed in. All right, back to it. There's a good shot of all of them. Look at all the cranes. Wow. Made it to Omaha last night. Today's the last leg of the car ride, so we'll get home to Cross Lake later on tonight. Yeah, like I said, we haven't been home in like 3.5 months, and I'm gonna have so many packages to unbox, so I'll probably do an unboxing of the PR haul. I'll probably do unboxing. I know some of it's PR, some of it's stuff I ordered for the house, so I'll probably do that haul. I'll probably film it tomorrow and do a separate video for that because that one's gonna take a while. Quick potty break. And then 2 hours left. Hi, Beans. It's very windy here today. Are you so happy, Papa? You're home! Look at all your toys! Where did that come from? Oh, you must have some new toys. Yay! Oh, it feels so good to be home. Okay, wait until you see how many boxes I have just in my office. Ready? then there's more back here. So I'm gonna be doing a big haul for YouTube because this is a lot and that will be fun. Okay, I'm going to unpack, so I'm gonna jump off, but thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.